Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang simple or anything na magagawa natin, makrecreate natin na makeup look for today. But before anything else, also I'm going to share with you step by step kung anong mga ginagawa kong routine sa aking mukha before applying. This is the one I'm using. I have this one skin whitener tone and bleach cream from Dr. Fred. Okay, yan. Usually nilalagay ko lang yan sa mga blemishes, dark spots ko, okay? Also sa gabi. Then next, I'm using from COSRX Natural BHA. Okay. Skin returning emulsion, 2 pumps. All over the face. Next, si Tatcha. T-zone usually. Then last but not the least, Clinique. Just to let you know, I have a combination to oily skin, okay? But I'm using Clinique lalo pag may mga parteng nagbabalat ng mukha ko. Okay? Okay, next. Lip balm para moisturize before natin maglagay ng lipstick. Sa my primer, si Too Faced Hangover. Okay, 3-in-1. Okay, let's use Too Faced tayo ngayon. Let's get a mirror in front of me. Okay, next, I'll be using Too Faced again for my concealer. Almost na-cover naman niya lahat ng aking blemishes, but then again, let's just put a little, okay? Well, let's do our kilay. I'll be using the Kabrow from Benefit. Next, let's do our kilay. Oh, sorry, our eyeshadow. I'll be using Soft Glam. I'm using orange soda all over my lids and tempera. Mix natin yung dalawa. Next, using this brush, we're going to use burnt orange. I'll just use this one. Let's do the same the other side. Taking the concealer just a little bit, then downwards first, then slowly building it up. I'll be using this one from the Huda Beauty, okay? That shade. Next, let's do the same on the other side. There you go. Then, Huda Beauty. Since it's not working that way, let's use our fingers. Okay, now next, to create a little bit illusion using this brush as well, we'll use something to pop this color. Just a little bit on the very end, then taking a little darker. We'll add very dark shade. We'll just use black noir from this. Okay. Oops. Under my eye. Let's bake a little bit. Let's go with the Physicians formula. This one. Contour using the Hoola Beauty denser brush. Okay, next. Taking a fluffy brush. Next, Real Techniques and MAC. Put it there. And don't forget nose, then upwards here. Okay. Taking this one is Becca. Ooh. See that? Oh. Curler. More blending a little bit here. Okay. Now cleaning up a little bit. Then for the lips, let's see, MAC. This one MAC also. In the shade Magenta. This is my favorite. How do you like it? Hindi ako nag-final setting spray sa huli because nagkaka-problem ako na parang sometimes pag nasosobrahan, kahit hindi sobrahan, may time na tatanggal, humihiwalay. Here's my final look. How do you like it? Hindi ako masyadong kagitna, guys. I really like it. So, we're done. So, this is the final look. I hope you like this video. You enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you wanna be update, click the notifications bell beside the subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much, and see you on my next one. Bye.